Hey, it's Berta J. I ran across this restaurant that my husband and I used to go to all the time when we were way young with no children. And we stopped by, and it's a deli. So they used to only sell meat. Now they have vegan chili. And it's made with tofu and beans, and it is very chunky. And you see it? And I asked them for extra red onions, so they chopped those up and I stirred them in. But it is very good. It's saltier than I usually eat, so I will eat some now and I'll go home and put more beans in it. But it is good. It's very good. Spicy, a little hot, and I really am enjoying it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because we were out and about and I thought, I'm hungry and I don't want to eat anything that's not good for me. And so I got this and I'm glad I did. So bye for now.